So make sure that you already purchased the Great American Pure Flix plan on YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active, because you cannot watch Great American Pure Flix without having the plan first. And then to buy the Great American Pure Flix, you wanna go to the top right of the screen at the home page and then click on the store icon. And you wanna click on all at the top of the screen. And then at the Great American Pure Flix, you wanna click on it. And then you wanna add this GAPF to your membership by paying for $13 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. To do that, you wanna click on next and complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even PayPal and Cash App. And then to watch the GAPF on the homepage of YouTube TV, you wanna go to your top right of your screen, but this time click on the search icon, and then search for Great American. And here on the Great American Pure Flix, you wanna click on it. And then you may scroll down and see the movies or series from the GAPF as you like. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.